What I want to talk about today is getting a physical assessment done when, you're getting ready to go in and see about if you want, start like your weight loss journey or whatever as far as you losing weight. I was not even worried about getting one. I was not even going to worry about consider doing it. I just wanted, my doctor to go ahead on and set me up for me to start being in the workout program here where I stay and just, start exercising. Like, I was like, oh, hey, I got this. I don't need nobody else trying to come in and look in and saying nothing or telling me anything. But I'm glad I did it. Because having somebody else that's on the outside looking in, they don't know you. So it was really helpful for her to have the consultation with me, and she pretty much, it was really good for her to tell me as far as like what exercises I should probably just pretty much kind of be careful with, stay away from now until I build up my body, my muscle mass or whatever, until I build that up more. And then, it'll be better for me to go ahead on, like with swimming. It was a couple of swimming exercises that I was going to start off doing, but by me doing the assessment with her, it would not have been, she made me clearly understand and made me see where she was coming from. She done a good way of explaining that, it was just not helpful for me to start off with those exercises, to start off as something at a more like a more slower pace, and then I can build myself up. And then she had me walk around to do some laps to see how many I could do within a minute. I did 3. Then, of course, they do the cardio assessment to see, where your heart is at, to see what you can stand and can't stand. And then she had me do like a stretch assessment part, to stretch to see how far I could go, and my breathing and all of that. It was just really helpful, and I'm glad I did it. So I was just saying that there's nothing wrong with, going ahead on and just doing the physical assessment part, or trying to see about consulting with someone about getting that done to help just, kind of just guide you and pretty much make sure that you're on the straight and narrow as far as like, your weight loss journey. But yeah. So, hey, don't be so quick to just overlook it like me and like, no, I'm not going to worry about doing that. I'm ready to exercise. But yeah.